Have you ever wondered how to make a steady income from real estate? It's a world filled with potential, not for overnight riches, but for a steady, slow-burning wealth generation. It's a journey, not a sprint. Over the past decade, I've navigated this path, buying and selling more than 30 properties. Each one has yielded reasonable profits, a testament to the power of real estate investment. So, are you ready to explore this potential? Real estate investment is a journey, not a sprint. Now let's dive into how you can start this journey. The first part of the strategy is understanding how to make a profit in real estate. It's not about a quick cash grab, but building a steady stream of income. The process begins with property selection. Choosing the right property is like selecting the right chess piece. It can make or break your game. Whether it's residential or commercial, your choice must align with your investment goals. Next comes market research. Understanding the dynamics of the real estate market, from property values to rental rates, is crucial. It's like being a detective, piecing together information to form a complete picture. Lastly, timing. Like a well-orchestrated dance, knowing when to buy and when to sell can significantly impact your profits. Every property I've bought and sold over the past decade has yielded a reasonable profit. It's a testimony to the power of strategy. Knowing how to make a profit is just the first step. Keeping and reinvesting these profits is equally important. Once you've made a profit, the next step is to keep it and reinvest it wisely. So how do you do that? Well, it all starts with effective management of your expenses and taxes. Minimizing these can help you retain a larger portion of your profits. For instance, consider consulting with a tax advisor to explore potential tax benefits you might be eligible for as a real estate investor. Now, when it comes to reinvestment, diversification is your best friend. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different types of properties and even different regions. This can help reduce the risk and increase the potential for steady returns. Another powerful reinvestment strategy is to harness the power of compound growth. Reinvesting your profits back into your real estate portfolio can lead to exponential growth over time. Profit retention and reinvestment are key to sustainable wealth growth in real estate. Now, as promised, here's a strategic secret step to succeeding in real estate. It's all about the art of negotiation. You see, every property has a story, and every seller has a need. By understanding the story and meeting the need, you can negotiate a win-win deal that leaves room for profit. Over the past decade, I have successfully used this approach in over 30 property deals. Remember, this is not financial advice, but a sharing of my personal experience in real estate. Use this information wisely, and you too can build a steady income from real estate.